Can you do this? As early as your 40s, you may lose muscle and strength. Protein supports muscle health. Ensure Max Protein has 30 grams of high-quality protein to feed your muscles up to 7 hours. So take the challenge. Ensure.
Principal of the Georges Valley Basic School, Deuvadine Francis, says students between the ages of 3 to 6 years are displaying signs of mental health issues that are often challenging for both teachers and staff to manage.
It affects students in learning. They're not focused. They sleep a lot, they're withdrawn, they're abusive, they're aggressive, they sometimes become very rebellious.
At the Georges Valley Apostolic Church, resident psychiatrist at the Mandeville Regional Hospital, Dr. Arielle Watt, urged caregivers to treat children with grace whenever they display certain types of behavior.
This is suicidal thoughts. And yes, this happens more often than you may think. What will you do? You can promise, you don't promise to keep it a secret. You say, thank you for trusting me. This is too important to keep between us. I care about you too much, and then you involve the appropriate professionals.
In the meantime, Corporal George Morgan of the Community Safety and Security Branch of the Manchester Police Division is urging parents and guardians to reassure and affirm their children, noting that the way they are nurtured can help shape the kind of adults they will grow to become. The call comes as May is being observed as Child's Month.
Children are trouble these days. Children. Some of them now get no love. Me not go pretty up, me not go talk in a patois, me come understand what you. Don't let your child go out to seek love anywhere else than home. Home is where it must hurt.
Downtown Kingston is now one street cleaner. The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation is ramping up efforts under its Cleaner Kingston initiative. We have more in this report. And we do apologize for the absence of the audio and on that clip. Now, there is a need for improved water storage in communities across Montego Bay, as well as strong participation, especially with source reduction. That's according to the St. James Public Health Department. Now, it comes as the parish remains on high alert to prevent the spread of diseases in Western Jamaica. The American Health Organization has issued regional advisories for several diseases, including measles and dengue. Now, Acting Chief Public Health Inspector for St. James, Sharika Lewis, provided an update at the recent St. James Municipal Corporation monthly meeting.
When we compare our ADs indices, we went up slightly from 10.8 to 12.7%, which is still not within the acceptable range. And this is attributed to a marked increase in rainfall. Our container index saw a slight increase from 3.1 to 3.3%. Our Batu index is still within the acceptable range at 21 per 100 ohms.
As for fogging activities, the health department is reporting an increase in the number of areas fogged across the parish.
9 of our evening fogging sessions were hampered due to ongoing rain. We fogged 21 communities, which is up from 17 last month. We fogged 16 schools, which is another drastic increase from the 3 that we did last month.
It's time for a break. Stay with us. More stories when we return. Welcome back to the Midday News. It's now time for the Business Minute.
The Jamaica Public Service Company says it recorded lower profits for the first quarter ended March 31 this year as revenue declined and finance costs increased. The Light and Power Company posted net profit of $6.4 million for the quarter, down from $12.7 million in the corresponding period last year. Operating revenue also fell to $240.4 million compared with $265.9 million a year earlier. Gross profit declined to $95.5 million while operating profit came in at $22.8 million, down from just over $30 million in 2025. The company reported higher net finance costs of $16 million, which also weighed on earnings during the period. Further afield, China is planning to purchase 200 Boeing aircraft and join forces with the U.S. in an attempt to lessen tariffs. This deal, which would bring an end to a nearly decade-long virtual sales freeze between Boeing and China, was announced Wednesday by the Chinese Commerce Ministry. Officials also say the U.S. and China are working to extend the trade truce that's currently scheduled to expire in November. This all comes shortly after President Donald Trump took part in a two-day summit with Chinese leader Xi Jinping in Beijing. And that's it for the Business Minute. I am Carrie Simpson.
Thank you, Karian. And here's Shamela Pullen with a preview of what's in the health report.
In this evening's health report, we'll look at hantavirus infection.
The good news for us in the Caribbean is that we do not have the species of rats and mice which harbor particularly the Andes strain of the virus, so we do not have a reservoir of infection. The other good news generally is that as best as the data now tells us, that the Andes strain, although it is transmissible person to person, doesn't do so very readily and requires prolonged intimate contact for spread. And thirdly, that with standard infection control protocols for respiratory illness, control of spread is very achievable.
That's the health report in Primetime News at 7. And now for today's healthy living tip. Avoid rodent exposure, follow safe cleaning practices, recognize early symptoms, and seek immediate medical care.
Time now for the top stories from around the world. In the region, the Bahamas government is taking very seriously reports of a United States investigation allegedly linking government officials and a senior politician to a multi-million-dollar drug trafficking network. In a statement, the office of the Prime Minister, which is Philip Davis, said authorities will seek information from U.S. officials while local law enforcement launches its own probe. The allegations stem from a U.S. court ruling claiming a Bahamian politician met with a suspected drug trafficker to discuss a $30 million U.S. cocaine deal. The opposition is now calling for a commission of inquiry into the matter. And we head to our final break. When we come back, we'll have your Midday Sports Report.
Can you do this? As early as your 40s, you may lose muscle and strength. Protein supports muscle health. Ensure Max Protein has 30 grams of high-quality protein to feed your muscles up to 7 hours. So take the challenge. Ensure.